Ajipshola सबसे पहला खबरटी NSN Kitowi aro NSNR Wangting Group members macheti chamla ulagina Mr. Dick of Natha All Bostimanu Biabra Mara Mari Kugina Tagan Miti Sumi Youth Organization Zneboto Tokujo Kakami Zneboto Area Public Organization aro Zneboto Town GP Association Khan Hatsa Opote Seres Logina Jakali Resolution Meeting Rakilo Shekoina report by Loyasem. Resolution meeting ti organization country NSNR Wangting Group members Khanke Kandem Grasikili Group Khanbra Mr. Dick Natha All Bosti Manu Opor Biabra Mara Marikugina hospitalized Krida issuti Inika Hatsa Tuli except Krubole Naparbo Kogina strongly Avas Utai Diasem. Itukani Sumi Organization Country, Law Enforcement Agency Kanki, Law Hesab, Straight Action Logina, Justice Anibole Arsh, Pridiasya Aro, Aha Dinti, Inika Hatsa, Naulabo Kani, functionaries of NSNR, Wangting Group Kantu, Zneboto District Bura, Ben Kulobo Kugena, Resolution Kugena Taka, Janipalu Yasem. Nagaland DGP Rupin Sharma ja kali Chumukitima Police Complex ti media logina interaction ti state pitor ajikali hot topic ja thakya khan khata bura highlighted kridia toli July 5 tarik Newland district ti chest to death incident tu achanak koi disholipi mrija victim tu robbery aro sexual assaulted involved kugena serious crime committed kugena thakya godisha aro first case of incident toli molestation kugena course of investigation ti suspected 10 jon arrest kugena ase aro gain kugena manuke blackmail kuri poisa aro valuable saman loi di thakya jani paja she itukani hatsa tu achana kholipi fake dine krubole na parbo kugena DGP Sharma clear kuri dia ase. Kango Group NSNK Khanbra angami contractor opor debt return digena thakya hutia tamti AYO Khanbra FIR file up kurgina thakya nishna SUO motor case registered Kriloshiko ase aro thorough investigation kurgina threaten issue kridia individuals khan jani lobole assured kridia ase aro new market Kambara June 7 tarik Muraida case connection ti investigation tuli age jailo ase aro nature of investigation karni detail tuli reveal kridia nai hulipi other issue kudigena Muraida Janilo Shiko ase aro suspected 5 jon arrest kulogena ja thaka DGP Sharma jonai dia ase. Next khobor recently Iran ti Ismail Haniya aro talaga bodyguard Muraida issue miti Iran supreme leader order digena direct strike Israel target rithakya karni ja kali Israel cabinet khan meeting rakhina step loi thakya report pailu ase. Times of Israel report dia sabti Israel government country emergency situation karni phone loigena cabinet minister Khan Sobki phakku disheko ase kili Hamas leader Ismail Haniya Muraida nimiti achanak attack ahigena strike attempt krubole chances thakya nimite koi dia ase aro Israel government Khan itu phone loigena phakuri di thakya tu judi cyber attack ahigena telecommunication digdar pailepi kotha kulobon mita ase aro kunpa ministers country satellite phone logina staff khan kepi phakudi shekoina report pailu ase hulipi panic na krubole citizen khan ke address kri thakya pailu ase. Dimapur district ke alag alag case bal biya sob face kugena ja thakya humoiti ja kalipi amikhan local manu ekjon Burma Camp Colony East Block Car Servicing Authority around 40 years mota ekjon murigena thakya pai jaise ko ase. Sources pai thakya sabti victim identity colony manukhan bratu janibole para nai hulipi local disease hoyena 12 bajibra 1 baji macheti murigena thakya suspected krilu ase aro colony manukhan paigena police report dia sabti postmortem examination krilu sha aro district hospital rakhi thakya report pailu ase. Itu karni juti kunpa jangena thakse koili is police station khobor krubole jonai thakya viewers khan ke koi dia ase.